Back in December 2024, I published a video on Palmira Golf, a new project that was going to be built in the location called Cocotal Golf Country Club in Bavaro Punta Cana. There are two ways into Cocotal. One is through the entrance used most, which is opposite the Meliá Resort, and the other via Rainieri Boulevard, which is the shorter route and direct route to where Palmira Golf is being built. If you missed the previous video I did on this project, I will leave a direct link at the end of today's video so you can learn more about it. But now it's time for an update to see how progress is coming along. A few days ago, I went to the location to get the footage I'm bringing you today. Enjoy the views. Palmira Golf has but 4 units left. You have the choice between 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms or 3 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. Prices are between $319,000 and $349,000. Each unit comes with a cooktop, oven, range hood, fridge, AC units in each bedroom and living room, and 2 parking spaces. Best of all, this project is Confiture approved, which means no 1% property tax for 15 years and no 1% title transfer fee on closing. Delivery is estimated to be June 2027. Should you want to set aside one of these last remaining units, call or text me to 809-223-8416 or send an email to info@propertiesbymasters.com. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and choose the all option so you'll never miss a video. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share it so others can benefit from these incredible opportunities. When you get a chance, follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.